Kia ora everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Steph and I'm going to teach you how to make a frozen flower orb. All you need is an egg, some water, some flowers and a freezer. Basically what you're going to do is next time you need to use your eggs, crack it in a different way. Instead of cracking it in the middle like you usually would, crack it close to the top, as close as possible to keep as much shell as you can. Once you've done that, cut off a bit of the carton to make a holder and set your eggshells inside. Head out into the backyard and use whatever you can find. If you've got lots of flowers, fantastic, put them in. If you've just got leaves and things like that, it'll also work. When you're putting them in, you want the flower to sit against the shell as much as possible. So this is what mine is looking like here. Put all your flowers in first and then add the water. Fill it up to the top of the shell and then pop it in the freezer. Once it's been in for a few hours, you'll be able to get it out and peel off the shell away from the ice and you'll have your frozen orbs. Take them outside and watch them melt. They're really beautiful and such an easy and cool thing to do to keep you busy during this lockdown time. Hope you're safe and happy in your bubbles and that you enjoy this little experiment. Thanks. Ka kite.